Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best Jeep soft tops that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the Bestop Black Diamond Track Top NX Glide Convertible Soft Top. If you want a complete soft top with a lot of extra additions, this Bestop is designed with convenience in mind. The kit includes the soft top fabric, window panels, and the factory bow for fast installation. One of the most unique and best features about this top is its zipperless functionality. You can slide off all of the windows by hand without having to struggle with zippers or risk breaking them off. This makes it quick and efficient to get the top off and on. Up next is a Smittybilt Black Diamond OE style replacement top. This replacement Jeep soft top comes with the heat-sealed seams to prevent leaking of cold air from the inside and hot air from the outside. It also comes with the wick stop threads that seal stitch holes to prevent air from seeping through the fabric. The top is a 23-ounce multi-layer pressed textured marine-grade fabric that makes it durable, thick and strong. The windows are made up of a 30mm dot 31% tinted glass to cut down on the amount of sunlight that breaks through. You can access, remove and attach the windows by using the built-in nylon zippers. That mixed with the strong 135 gauge thread makes this top resistant to mold, mildew and tears. Third up is the Pavement Ends Black Diamond Replay Replacement Soft Top. As another replacement soft top, this one is made from fade-resistant fabric for a long-lasting time in the sun. It easily fits on any Jeep with an existing frame, and the material is tough and durable enough to withstand scratches and tears. The 23-ounce vinyl is made of coated polyester marine-grade cotton that is both mold and mildew resistant. The removable windows are DOT approved and 31% tinted for a stylish design. They are also heat sealed to protect against the summer's grueling heat or the winter's harshest bite. One of the features we found incredibly useful is the heavy-duty jam-resistant side zippers. This makes it easier to hold and zip or unzip. Moving along, here we have the Sierra Off-Road TJ 2003-06 factory style soft top. The top is built to factory specs and has DOT approved windows and heavy-duty oversized zippers that self-correct to ensure smooth operation. The black diamond and khaki diamond options are the TJ's original material and are made of a 2-ply medium weight and waterproof composite. The Velcro, thread, webbing, and door seals are factory spec, and the top is made from one bolt of material to ensure the grain and color are evenly matched. To end with here, we have the Sierra Off-Road Jeep Wrangler TJ. The denim is marine-grade vinyl that is designed to prevent fading. The top is high quality, the window zippers are smooth and tough, and the price is right. It is very easy to install and the tinted windows look great. The color holds up well over time and the top is very durable even if you frequently put it on and take it off. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.